Ever seen an octopus shapeshift? Meet the mimic master. This octopus, no ordinary kind, transforms itself into various sea creatures to outsmart predators. In fact, it can look like a venomous lionfish with its spiky arms, or a cunning sea snake by pushing its arms into the sand. As a result, predators are often fooled, keeping their distance in fear of being harmed. However, its most incredible trick is impersonating the flatfish, gliding effortlessly above the ocean floor. So next time you're by the ocean, remember, not everything is what it seems. Amazing, right?